In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but we will see more precisely presque. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. So this is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. In this lesson, we will see presque, and the indefinite presque is translated to almost in English. So we will see 4 examples with presque. J'arrive presque à la fin de mon livre. J'arrive presque à la fin de mon livre. Il est presque impossible de résoudre ce problème. Il est presque impossible de résoudre ce problème. Nous avons presque terminé la rénovation de la maison. Nous avons presque terminé la rénovation de la maison. Le train est presque à l'heure. Le train est presque à l'heure.